Hey guys, here we have this 2011 Chevrolet Equinox LTZ. It's a very pretty looking car, I have to say, with the black paint and the LTZ package with all the chrome. Going to the front, you have projector front headlamps with fog lamps, and a chrome strip running along the bottom with some chrome accents in the grille. You have a nice set of chrome wheels that measure, they are 19s, so 19-inch chrome wheels wrapped in 235/55 hand-cooked tires. Hand-cooked Optimos to be specific. The chrome mirror caps with chrome door handles. See, 2011 Equinox, all-wheel drive LTZ. I apologize for the sun glare. 3-liter V6. Has navigation and all that. But a nice price at $24,000. A nice chrome tip dual exhaust. Go ahead and hop inside. As I said, you do have chrome door handles. It's a black exterior, but a jet black perforated leather interior. It's a okay quality leather. It's kind of like slimy. A 10-way power driver's seat, like a 4th thigh support. Let's see, it just raised seat height, backrest, and 2-way power lumbar. You have 2-person memory as well. And you can see the leather squeaks a little bit. Punch the door. It is windy out today. So this is still hard plastic. This is rubberized here, but nice rubberized armrest. A plastic chrome door handle with your window lock, power mirrors. Power windows, power mirrors, parking brake. The steering wheel tilts and telescopes. We'll open this door because it's really hot today. So hood latch. See, this one has 37,851 miles. You have automatic lights. Your turn signals, obviously fog lights here. A nice leather wrapped steering wheel with a grip extension. Dashboard. All hard to the touch. I do have navigation. Believe it or not, with this tiny little screen that does not want to turn on. There it goes. Let's see, map graphics are okay. Not the best. Whoa. I'll zoom in a little bit. I don't care if you guys know where I am. You all live, I know, in Massachusetts. You should all know by now. You have dual zone automatic climate control, a 6-speed automatic with a manual mode, which I don't understand why manufacturers put in a manual mode when they're just like gonna use this, like a rocker switch. They kind of should give you a gate, but it's a Chevy Equinox. No one's gonna be manually shifting this thing. The glove box is plasticky as well, but it is well damped and very large. These visors, mirror and vanity light. Same thing on that side. And okay. You have a WB Mason truck. All your lighting controls appear. OnStar. like the chrome around the cup holders. They have a little storage cubby in there with a power outlet. Traction control off because people are going to turn off traction control in their Equinox. A nicely padded armrest with a little bit of storage and a removable tray. It's a nice storage. Do have a auxiliary port and a power USB outlet down there. You have your wipers over here, your Bluetooth controls with your audio controls and cruise control. I like the steering wheel, it's okay, but I like the newer ones better. This silver painted plastic seems kind of cheap. So is this. But hey, whatever. It's a Chevy Equinox. Oh, do have a Pioneer audio system, but unfortunately I can't demonstrate that due to YouTube copyright issues. Opening up the back, you can see the bench seat's pretty elevated. This seat is almost all the way back, and I still have a good amount of room, leg room and foot room. I have plenty of thigh support. It's just as comfortable as the front seat. Back here, materials, all hard plastic except the rubberized armrest. You have nets in both seats, a power outlet there. Excuse the camera that I just whacked. Excuse my hand, I should say. You have a nice armrest with two cup holders. I don't know why Chevy puts cup holders in the middle of the armrest, but whatever. Go ahead and hop out. And since the passenger seat's moved all the way back, I'll move down the seat, just pull the handle. You have a power tailgate, which is nice. And an okay amount of room for the class. See, if you fold the seats down, you got a lot more room. You do have a little cargo cover. And a big subwoofer. With another power outlet here, back here, just like the Highlander has, only the Highlander's a household power outlet back there. Very nice. Gas cap is released from inside. And now opening up the hood, you have GM's 3-liter direct injected V6 with variable valve timing. I'll put the numbers in the description. I'm sure this thing makes decent power for what it is. But that sums it up for this tour, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think down below. And subscribe for more.